How we all doing today? Birds are chirping. It's beautiful out here in the Carolinas as usual. People with little chainsaws running. It's beautiful. Anyways, what do I have in front of me today? Well, today I got the XR2600 by Excell with the Honda GC160 engine. Well, the thing is this, if you can't tell, let's just say this is one of my favorite stories. I get it dropped off this morning. I've got housework to do, so this is going to be a little bit long. What I mean by long is this video is just the beginning. I've got stuff to do, but I wanted to make sure I did this beforehand. Anyways, what we got a problem with right off the get-go is the pull handle. She's locked. Alright, to make this video short and easy, to where you're going to understand doing a switch out. You got two screws that'll be on the shroud cover right here and right here. Take those out, take this, throw it away. This is the pump, and all it is, it's got 4 bolts that go right here. Basically, you just slide it off, throw it away. They're not worth overhauling. Then you're going to find the spline gear in there. Don't be deterred and worried whether or not. It's real easy. Take some PB Blaster, spray it down inside, be gentle, pop the Allen key, and it slides right off. And then you can chunk it because you're not going to need it. This is your new 2,600 gallon or 2,600 gallon or per minute. Christ. This is the new pump that's going in. You'll notice that you got an Allen key or a square key that will go right there, and it'll made up with a square key that's right, the slot right there. So basically, what you're going to do is come in, move this a little bit wherever you need to, and line it on up. Fight with it a little bit. Some people put rust preventive stuff on there if you want. It's up to you. Personally, I don't. But basically what you're doing, you're going to line it up, fight with it because it's a pain in the butt. Okay, line it up, and go with Mr. Shaft, and then all you do is spin it where you want it. Take the 4 bolts that you had already, put the 4 bolts back in, and you're done. And this is a little oil reservoir. Do some further research and find out what oil goes in there, but it comes pre-oiled. It tells you to kind of, it smells like old beat up gear oil, like 80-90 weight, or it could be 75-90, hell, who knows. But anyways, this is for when like you have your little drain rope so you can suck soap in and blow it out. It's pretty much the same all the way. Now you'll notice on the EX or the XR2600s, they come with the quick release. This one does not. Get you a new hose. If it's an old original one, just take that one, throw it away, go down to Home Depot for 25 to 30 bucks, get you a new hose, get you a new wand. Your fittings, your spray nozzles, they'll still be good. They work. They're almost all universal, so you can still use those. But I do recommend it due to the fact that, one, you really don't know the whole PSI that's going to be coming out, so just be better, just go ahead and get you a new one. Get you a nice 30-foot one. Like I said, those are, you can get them at Home Depot and Lowe's. But that's it. Pretty much you bolt it back in. Remember the thing. Make sure you got water coming in, water going out before you even start it. Don't ever run these dry or you're going to pay for it like this. Now, I'm going to jump back to this for a second. Remember when I had the first part of the video where I was pulling on it and it wouldn't rotate? Well, at first it seems like an engine, a seized engine. Well, a lot of people get the misunderstanding that that's probably what it is it's a seized engine. It's not. It's actually this pump. And what happens is, inside, line it up, you've got the cams and then it spins. Well, that bearing down there is so full of crap and dirt and what have you and rust that it basically blocks up the engine. I pulled it off, ran the engine for about 30 minutes on its own after changing the oil, and it runs fine. So a lot of people will get worried first that it's the engine. It's not the engine. These engines are stout little monsters, and they can take a beating better than anything I've ever seen. But when you have one and you decide and you're pulling on it and it's not wanting to go, first thing I would do, take the pump off. It's real easy. Like I said, it's 4 bolts. After you take the shroud off, it's 4 bolts. You're done. Now, the other thing I forgot to mention is here is your inlet and outlet, whichever, it don't matter. You gotta have to take these off, and the one is gonna have an Allen key set inside. So you just unscrew it. I think it's a 3/8 Allen key. I'm not 100% sure. I'm trying to make this video fast, but because I've done enough of these pressure washers this year alone to drive me to drinking, and I don't drink. But like I said, this is another one of the eBay pumps that I get. Don't have any problems. If you notice, I had that one. I sold it to a guy at work. He's happy as punch, and had no problems, and he's been using it. These, like I said, I love these little pumps. They're great. There's no manual or anything that really comes with it, but like I said, you use a 3/16 1-inch square key, and it lines up perfectly. You don't have to cut it, you don't have to do nothing to it. It fits in there just like a glove. So if you got any questions, any concerns, or anything, don't hesitate to let me know. Like I said, you can put the shroud on. I don't see a purpose in needing it, but what I am going to do with this one is I'm going to go in here and clean this out, blow this all out, and make it pretty and all that. And I will put probably some anti-corrosion stuff around just so that it sits pretty on there. But the other thing is like I said, to make sure everything is fat, done, and happy, let me take the key out real fast. So after I'm done bolting, if you notice, this is open and goes right into the exposure. I am going to take some RTV and I'm going to go across here, here, and here on the sides that are open. So if any water does get in, at least the water will drain out the bottom. I don't have to worry about it constantly getting flushed with water and causing rust and anything else. Anyways, I hope this helps y'all. You have a great day, and thank you for watching.